In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a coupon in WooCommerce, which can be a fantastic way to boost your sales and engage with your customers. Coupons can help to incentivize purchases, reward loyal customers, or even clear out some excess inventory. We'll be going through the process step by step, so whether you're offering a percentage off, a fixed discount, or free shipping, this guide will walk you through it all. First, let's navigate to the coupon section of WooCommerce, which you can find under the Marketing tab on your WordPress dashboard. Click on Add Coupon, and this will bring you to a new screen where you can create a coupon from scratch. Now, it's time to enter the code for your coupon. This is the unique identifier that your customers will use during checkout to receive their discount. Be sure to choose a code that is easy to remember, relevant to the promotion, and not too long. Once you have your code settled, you can move on to entering the details of the coupon. Start by filling in the description, which can be helpful for internal tracking to remind you of the purpose or details of the promotion. Next, you'll configure the discount type. Here, you can choose between a fixed cart discount, a percentage discount, or a fixed product discount. For example, if you're running a sale offering 20% off all items, you would select percentage discount and enter 20 in the value field. The next option is to decide whether this coupon provides free shipping. Ticking this box means the customer won't have to pay for shipping when using the coupon, which can be a great selling point. However, keep in mind that you need to have free shipping enabled in your shipping settings for this to work. Then we have the coupon expiry date, which is crucial for creating urgency. Enter the date you want the coupon to expire, ensuring it aligns with your promotional period. This encourages customers to take advantage of the offer quickly. There are also usage restrictions to consider. You can set a minimum or maximum spend requirement if you want to ensure that the discount only applies to orders above or below a certain amount. You can also decide whether the coupon can be used in conjunction with other coupons. If you want to restrict the coupon to specific products or categories, this is where you'd enter those details. And importantly, you can also exclude products or categories from the coupon if needed. Lastly, adjust the usage limits. You can set the number of times a coupon can be used both for individual users and in total. After all your choices and configurations have been input, it's time to review everything and ensure it's all correct. Once satisfied, go ahead and click Save, and your coupon is all set and ready to be distributed to your customers. By successfully completing these steps, you've now empowered your marketing strategy with a new tool ready to drive more traffic and conversions on your online store.